India versus Bangladesh in women's cricket. It is a rivalry that has picked up pace and spice over the years.
Jyoti will be flipping the coin. Heads is the call. And it is a head. And you've decided to?
We're going to bat first.
So the news from the middle is that India have won the toss and decided to have a bat first.
The playing personnel implement the takeaways they had gotten out of the Australia T20I series. For India, the last time that they showcased a veteran in the Indian side is Smriti Mandhana.
গ্রাম পটাটা চিপস নাকি বিস্কুট খেয়ে বুঝে নাও।
My name is Anesha Ghosh and I am joined by former Bangladesh.
It's the first T20 match between Bangladesh and India. The first delivery, Maruf Akhtar beats Smriti Mandhana outside the off stump. A brilliant delivery.
In the domestic season.
And steers it down to third man for four. A tightly packed circle, but beautiful shot there through mid-wicket for four.
Inside out from Smriti Mandhana and dropped by Fariha Trishna. She tried to use her feet, did Mandhana.
Beautiful shot, making room once again. And through the square leg boundary for four, dropped short. And Smriti Mandhana is bowled there. Absolutely outplayed by the bowler, Trishna Fariha.
Threw her hands at it, did Smriti Mandhana. Opener, a big lunge forward. The India vice captain has to depart for a runner ball 9.
Goes big on that occasion and crosses the fence on the long on region.
Full lofted shot into the gap and will go for a boundary. Go straight again. There is the fielder away from her. One bounce for four. Flighted, swept. That sounded like a four, and it is like a four. Raced away.
That's the better line for Nahida, for Yastika. Give no room. 4 runs, 4-4. Simla ball again.
There, in the air, up and away from that fielder. Another boundary, inside out.
Rabia Khan into the attack and skied towards the cover fielder, and she will be taken. Shafali Verma, and unfortunately for India, tried to go for the big one yet again. Ended up top edging into the offside. After that blazing start, eventually became a little sedate.
A big blow for India.
Showcase in this series. This time around, it's Harmanpreet Kaur's turn to get a boundary.
Play big shots, and there you see Harmanpreet Kaur beautifully timing that through widest. It's all about timing and just the way the batters are batting. Harmanpreet Kaur on that account cuts well, square on the offside for four.
Deliver in both departments. For now, the delivering is being done by the India captain, who will add another 4 to her name.
What a stroke. Fariha Trishna bowls a full toss. Times it away. Good presence of mind as both the feet. Oh, loud appeal given. And Fahima gets the breakthrough.
Side though. Pitch up inside the middle. In the middle, and
She goes for 30 of 22. Was much flatter. Does she go about business as usual in the air, and there's the breakthrough. Rabia gets her second, and what a move.
they are looking for to get this, and back-to-back wicket. Harmanpreet Kaur, and the next over is Yastika Bhatia. Bangladesh in the game right now. It's a
One gets two. Here's the second. Gets to make her mark. In the slot. This time, it sounded sweet.
Bombs right now.
Yes, and she's justifying her selection, and
her last ball, first ball heroics, but right now it is Richa Ghosh who's letting the bat do the talking. Brute will be quite pleased with this, but not with that effort, though, from Sajeevan Sajana.
Jesse
A great
wants a weight, wants a clear picture of it. And there you see a diving effort. And I think it's pretty clean.
The third umpire is still taking a look at it. Want to ensure that the call is going to be a dismissal.
Look very much achievable. But I think at this point in time, Bangladesh bowler.
With some hitting like
good-
that from Richa Ghosh,
good
they
break.
can surely
Makes sense if she had come to stem the run flow. Beautifully executed.
have the distance in it. The intent was right. It is the final over. The third last delivery. Good. This is the center wicket. Inventive strokes. Not shuffled across did Vastakar. Did not get the elevation. Looked a little awkward with that position. To close out the innings after Harmanpreet Kaur, the India captain, 46 to win. Do a bit of reflection on the start they got.
For the first T20I between India women and Bangladesh women. Harmanpreet Kaur, the Indian skipper, having won the toss, decided to bat first and put up a total of 145. Bangladesh need 146 to win. Dilara Akhtar opening the batting for Bangladesh. Nicely seeing off the first delivery.
Renuka Singh, as expected, opening the bowling for India.
A full-length delivery, nicely timed, flicked away. Some flair in that stroke brings up the first boundary for Bangladesh. Renuka Singh, a bit of movement inwards. Was there any? Given!
Name as Dilara Akhtar departs, pitched just outside off, shapes inwards, and looks there was daylight between bat and pad.
Certainly. But yeah, here's the wicket. And it is the back foot that makes her more vulnerable.
And it's
Superb shot. Cracking stroke by Murshida. Good looking stroke. Flamboyance. And played with a straight bat. Second boundary of the over.
Renuka Singh bowled. Absolutely clean bowl there. The ball came in and uprooted the stumps.
the queen of swing is, she goes for 6 runs of just the ship.
Focused on the development of the game amongst the women.
A great pull shot there from the captain.
And in keeping pace with that, I think the cricket board has also, that's a loud appeal and it's out.
Full members
Murshid
made no delay whatsoever. Middle and offs in her first over when Smriti Mandhana and Yastika Bhatia were both batting.
Oh, that's very close and given. Length delivery, and she was just stuck.
Faima Khatun, 1 run, 3 balls.
Shorna Akhtar, the new batter in. Short. Crunched. Through mid-wicket. Hit it towards the onside. Now she swept it late. Misfielding. Allows the boundary.
There you see Shorna Akhtar and only to hole out in the widest mid-wicket. Coming down the wicket, well intended, but not well executed.
Yeah, well, she had to go. She goes for 11 of 18.
Let's rotate the strike. Let's take the who have delivered unplayable deliveries. That's a magnificent shot by.
Just building on throughout the tournament. Was played in front of square and timed it nicely. Will get 4. The Bangladesh captain.
Coach Amol Muzumdar.
Yeah, did not time that.
Well deserved 3-4 for Renuka Singh. Had struck in the power play. Comes back close to the death and strikes again. Amanjot Kaur is out there fielding. Rabia Khan, jersey number 2, departs for 2. Joined her captain the deputy.
Again, running the first one hard. Oh, okay.
Ranks as well.
What a stroke. Inside out, went to the pitch of the ball and manufactured that shot. Did Nigar Sultana Jyoti.
The kind of innings from where the other batters are. I spoke a little too early, but on this occasion, Nahida Akhtar.
Yeah, look at the replay. She came down the wicket very early. And I think as a batter, we need to watch the ball a little bit more coming.
It had to come. It had to end that way. I thought Jyoti was doing good line, and the ball going underneath her bat.
Jyoti have to go. No choice. Brilliant innings from Jyoti. Batted so well. 51 runs of 48 balls.
Good bowling changes by the captain and some good.
Much for.
Well, I think at the end of the day, it was India, the better side. They've beaten Bangladesh convincingly. They've beaten Bangladesh by 45 runs. Players pretty heavy at the Indian dugout.
Yeah, Bangladesh score 101. We can see the scoreboard here. Mushida Khatun scored 13.
Well, I mean, 101 Bangladesh, I thought they could have done better. It was a wicket which offered.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.